Hello everyone, this is the Netflix and Drill Spring Quarter 2022 MAE Pen Team Project. This project is all about movies from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. This part of the code takes the numerical data from our CSV file that we created and allows us to analyze it in MATLAB by converting it into a matrix. Here we define the movies to their respective rows and columns. The rows define the specific movie, and the columns tells other information about the movie. Here's the CSV file. This part of the code calculates the means of variables such as budget, IMDb ratings, and domestic gross.
In this part of our code, we focus on creating the figures where we plot 6 scatter plots, showing the correlation between numerical values in the columns of our data set, such as budget versus IMDb rating, domestic gross versus IMDb rating, etc. From this, we created the function which allows us to find the line of best fit and helps us determine what type of correlation is actually occurring from the plots.
These two outputs are from the functions right below. The first function here takes the sum of each actor's column from the table, with 1 representing that they appeared in the movie and 0 that they did not. It then puts the sum of each variable in an array to calculate the max value and indexes which actor it is. The second function does the same action of taking the sum of each cast member, but instead prints the number of appearances each cast member has made. And the last function is simply used to find the line of best fit for the earlier plots.
So when we run the code, we can see that MATLAB spits out the graphs that we asked it to plot and also what we asked it to print, which includes average budget, runtime rating, grosses, and appearances. We also have the variable num movies, which includes the number of MCU appearances per cast member. As for the graphs, we can see that there is a positive correlation between all the variables within the 6 figures that we asked MATLAB to plot within the code.